Hello, this is Serge, and let's get to it. Let's take a look at your website. 724architecture.ca. So immediately I assume that you are from Canada. Anyways, so the first thing I see is not much of content, and the content is not rich with keywords. And I see a good amount of pages, and I look at each page. Each page has some content and has some keywords, which is good. However, it's not much. So the new guideline, or the current guideline, to have at least 1500 to 2000 words on your front page and 500 to 1000 words to any service pages. This way Google will take you seriously. It will analyze content that you have and look at the keywords that you should be ranking for. So since there's not enough content, I can show you on the back page. On the back side, if you look, you're not being recognized by Google or other search engines. See here, even though you have 2 different domains just recently, they actually look a little spammy, so they might not be good, but that's not a big deal for it now, because you're not ranking at all. To show you what I mean by ranking keywords, we can take a look at one of competitors. So I put Home Architect Services in Canada, and look, this is directory, house, home builder digest, probably some blog. So looking down, you see this guy here found on the first page of Google. So I open him up, I open his website up. This is his website. So you can see a lot more words, richer content that Google likes, still not all a lot. So if you do, as I mentioned, 1500 to 2000, you'll be in good shape in this niche. Another thing that I want to mention, if I look him up and put him in my tool, I had to do a little bit of cleaning up keywords to remove his company name and add some service area, because it's best to be focused on as a local business. So I left Toronto in. So if you can see what I see here, look, there are keywords such as Toronto architecture firms, architecture firms Toronto, architecture firms in Toronto, modern homes Toronto. And look, this is amount of searches per month. So for example, Toronto architecture firms is looked for about 350 times a month. Another word is 300, 150, and 150. So per se, for the first 4 keywords, it's already about 1,000 people looking, not 1,000 people looking, but 1,000 searches happening. And if you are ranking for these words and you are on the first or second page in Google, imagine how many people will be your customers. So this guy, for example, for keywords such as small architecture firms Toronto, is in position 5. He's on the first page in Google. That's what gets him some traffic. The thing is, he's going after incorrect keywords because of this volume search is only 30 searches per month, so it's not a huge volume. Therefore, for you, I can recommend some good keywords that you should be going after, create the content and put it on your website. Another thing is I wanted to show you these backlinks that I briefly mentioned. Look, these guys You have MANA here. This guy has some numbers, and this is pretty good numbers. And that is due to these backlinks. That's what you need to build and have some links from other sites connecting to your site. This shows Google that you are creditable, you're respected in the industry, other sites trust you. And this is something else that I would suggest, is to find opportunities to put your name out there in terms of backlink. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long, therefore I will end it here, and if you have any questions or would like to discuss, just shoot me a message. Thank you. Bye.